Two global support platforms, Zendesk and Freshdesk, battle it out. Which one really delivers? On the left, Zendesk, the enterprise powerhouse with robust analytics and deep customization. On the right, Freshdesk, simple, affordable, and built for efficient help desk support. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category earns points, so at the end, you'll see precisely who comes out on top. The result might surprise you. Quick mind map moment. Here are the categories we're going to cover: pricing, ease of use, AI and automation, integrations and ecosystem, scalability and customization, analytics and reporting, and customer support. Ready to find out which platform nails it in each area? Okay, let's jump in. First up, pricing. So Zendesk is well known for its enterprise-level features, which is honestly pretty cool if you're running a huge operation. But get ready for those costs to creep up. AI Copilot, that's $50 per user. Oof. And the pricing itself can be kinda unpredictable based on how much you need. Freshdesk, on the other hand, it's up to 50% cheaper. You can actually see all their plans up front. No sudden surprises. Adding AI Copilot is flex per agent if you want, but yeah, things can get pricier if you start stacking on advanced features. So in a straight-up pricing battle, Freshdesk definitely comes out ahead here. Ease of use. This one always matters. Zendesk? Oh, it's powerful for sure, but wow, that learning curve is real. The admin panel can get super complicated, so it's kind of like, do I need a manual for the manual? If you're an advanced user, you'll thrive, but beginners might sweat a bit. Freshdesk is just, easy to get started with. Quick setup, a workspace agents won't hate, and the admin console makes sense. Sometimes the interface gets busy with tons of tickets, but honestly, for most teams, it's smooth. So in terms of usability, Freshdesk grabs another win. All right, AI and automation. The big 2025 badge. Zendesk packs some serious heat here, thanks to those fancy new AI features and service automations. Their analytics game is super strong. But here's the deal. Those AI tools live in separate corners, and hooking everything together is kinda awkward. Freshdesk uses their native Freddy AI, making setup a breeze. No-code automations? Love that, especially if you don't want to mess with scripts. The bots are practical and dead simple, but for seriously complex workflows, Zendesk's AI is a step ahead. So, Zendesk takes the crown for advanced AI, but Freshdesk isn't far behind for simple automation. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know Zendesk actually started out in Denmark as a simple ticketing tool? Freshdesk was launched in India because the founders wanted help desk software everyone could afford and actually use. Two different support routes, right? Let's talk integrations and ecosystem. Zendesk? Whoa, it's wild. Over 1,200 integrations plus a beefy API and the Sunshine platform. If you're into building custom stuff at scale, it's basically an open playground, but you'll need some tech muscle. Freshdesk? Pretty impressive too, with over 1,000 integrations. Think Trello, MailChimp, Salesforce, and more, plus Zapier support, so you can automate stuff without a dev team. Totally easy if you're an SMB, but it's just a bit less deep for big enterprise needs. Overall, Zendesk rules here for creating those monster support stacks. Scalability and customization time. Zendesk is made for big business. Like, huge. Tons of roles, super advanced workflows, multi-brand support. But if you're just a small team, it's kinda overkill, honestly. Freshdesk? This one's ideal if you're an SMB or growing. Custom automations, custom workflows, it'll cover most needs beautifully. You do start to hit walls if you try to scale up, and some features hide behind higher plans. So, for big brands, Zendesk wins. But Freshdesk keeps things easy for small and medium teams. Analytics and reporting. Zendesk seriously flexes here. Enterprise-level analytics, the kind of dashboards that make data geeks smile. If you're good with setting it all up, you get crazy insight. But yeah, it can be tricky, and sometimes you need a specialist. Freshdesk, way more approachable. Reports are clear and actually useful for everyday tracking. Though if you want those deep dives and custom dashboards, Zendesk's got you beat. Winner, Zendesk for advanced analytics. Customer support. The meta question. Zendesk gives you those enterprise-level SLAs and premium support, which is slick if you pay up. But honestly, on the lower plans, it can feel a little less personal. Freshdesk offers flexible onboarding and help resources from the get-go, but you have to upgrade for premium support if you want white glove. So it's a tie here. Both solid, just depends what kind of support you expect. All right, radar chart time. Zendesk is kind of killing it on enterprise stuff: analytics, integrations, scale, AI. Freshdesk, though, really owns the pricing and ease of use side, with solid automation and enough features to keep most teams happy. Pretty clear echoes of each company's DNA in the chart. So here's how I see it. Zendesk is totally the go-to for enterprise muscle. Think massive organizations that need custom everything, sophisticated analytics, deep integrations. Freshdesk is perfect if you want quick setup, fair pricing, and a straightforward tool for a growing team. It's like, are you running a support empire, or do you just want efficient help desk magic without a headache? Which fits your support growth curve? Go check out some real demos, see which one actually fits your workflow best.